Hey guys, this is Hart, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself look like a corpse, a dead person, or a zombie. Anyhow, let's start. So, the first thing you need is a picture of yourself and Photoshop, obviously. Now, open up Photoshop and import your pic. Let's change its background to black, and for that, let's just make a selection. It's gonna take long, so I'm just gonna speed it up because it's boring. After the selection, drag and drop it into the new page and make sure it's black. After that, create a new layer, select the soft brush, make sure it's black, and paint around the subject to make it feel like it's in the dark. Now after that, import a PNG of this skull. I downloaded this from pngguru.com. Website link is in the description. Check it out, you can find tons of PNGs and are free, no copyright issues whatsoever. So open up the skull PNG, drag and drop on the image, adjust its size according to your face. Right click, wrap, and make sure the skull jaw and your jawline matches the same size. You can also mess around with the curves and hue and saturation to change its color, etc. Now go to the layer, select the skull and change its opacity to multiply. Now I don't want my skull on the whole face, so I'm just gonna erase the parts I don't want, cause in this pic we are going for the half skull half face look, but you can do whatever you want. So when that's done, let's remove this part of the face so it's look like there's nothing behind this skull. And for that, just select your face layer, take any selection tool you want and select the area you want to delete. Select this area and then press delete. It's done. Same thing for all the areas. Now the eye is visible, but we don't want that because it's a skull. So take a soft brush, make sure its color is black, and just paint in it. Same thing for the nose. In this way it will feel like that it's hollow. Now I want some textures in the pics. So for that I have this pic of an old man. Just drag and drop it, adjust the size. Click on the layer mask and it will make a mask. You will see an icon appear on the layers tab. Now press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Select the brush, make sure the black and white colors are selected. Now start painting, press X to convert between the colors. Now let's change the eye color because dead people have white colored eyes. For that, just go on the adjustments tab and click on the levels adjustment. Now drag the arrow to the white area so it looks something like this. Now you can do the same thing as before, make a layer mask, press Ctrl plus I to invert it, select a soft brush and click on the eye. I want a little bit of the black to remain in the eye so it feels a little natural. So for that, press X, make the brush smaller and erase the area you want to erase, and that's it. Now let's add some western theme into it. You can also find this on pngguru.com. Website link is in the description as I told you before. Drop a shadow for realism. Now let's put some depth into it. For that, go to the filter, blur gallery and field blur. Put some blur in the pic so as it suits your pic. Now after that we are done. Let's put a camera raw filter into it and mess around with the tabs until you are happy. Make sure you pump up the details and contrast, because we want the contrast and details to pop up in this image. And after that, that's it. That's it for me today. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next one.